What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, if you guys can see by the title, I'm not sure if I'm just gonna do a video on installing these, but here we have just the spats, or the splash guards, whatever you guys want to call them. And my camera is actually low on battery, so I'm just gonna go through with what it comes with, and then I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's and pick up some stuff that it didn't come with. So as you guys already know, it comes with both the splash guards. They're pretty dope. They're OEM, I guess they're called. I don't know where the guy got them off of, because I bought these off of a dude that was gonna run them, but he had a little, like, I guess the actual spat that goes underneath this, and I guess it just didn't go, like, it didn't fit, so he never slapped them on. They're brand new. He just opened them and didn't want them, so I bought them off of him. And it only came with the two splash guards and this. So I was watching the videos, and obviously it needed more than just this. And normally they come with 3M tape around right here, but mine didn't come with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to O'Reilly's, pick some 3M tape, and then come back and then slap them on. Pain in the ass, but I finally got it. So I used different bolts, just because the bolts that it came with were they sucked ass, just because they had like a little gooey thing on the nut to, like, I guess like work like a washer, but it just sucked. So I ended up using my own kind of bolts, and then I used the better tape, one that was like more thinner but thicker, if that makes sense. And yeah, the alignment is pretty dope. It took me a shit ton of tries. That's why I didn't even bother recording anymore. I was just tired. At first it was like I was saying, the tape was like, I don't know if you guys could hear me because my neighbor, but it was like poking out too much. It was just bad. But here's what it looks like. And it gives it like a little, like, I guess you get kit low from it. I like how it looks. But now we got something else going on. I ordered these fog lights. It's the I ordered these fog lights. I you guys know, or if you guys have seen from my car, I have the fog light and the blinker, the orange blinker, which I think looks really ugly. So I got the new ones, the JDM ones, with the LED strip. I don't think these are blinkers, which is fine by me. I don't really care. I think they're just daytime running lights. And then I did get the option to keep my fog light, because I just like how the fog light looks in my car. The fog light bezels I'm running right now, like I said, looks cool, but the orange really kills the vibe. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off the bumpers, and then we'll go from there.
JL White. JL White.
Alright guys, so we're back at the shop, and I got the lights on. I was having issues just because I didn't know what to do on the wiring part, but so I guess you get like 3 harnesses, which one is the one that connects to your fuse box, and then it stops like around right here. And I believe that's the one that's in the little yeah, the one that comes with the white, red, and black cable. And then I think you have the second harness, which is the one with the little cube box. You connect that one and you like zip tie it to somewhere right here. And then you run the extension to that side. And then they'll pretty much turn on. So I guess the white wire is for like if you don't want them to run like DRLs, which I don't think anybody that bought these would want that. So even in the video they said to just leave it alone and tuck it somewhere, but mine's just been chilling in there. I'll probably figure that out later. And then the black wire obviously goes to ground, so you can just wire it to whatever. I got mine wired to the negative terminal thing right here, but I've seen a lot of people use these bolts right here. It's just up to whatever you prefer. And then the red cable, the red cable is what I was having issues with. So you have to buy this adder fuse thing, I guess that's what it's called, and you rip one of the tabs off and then you connect the red wire to there. And I need to get wire electric tape just to cover it right now, but for right now I've just been chilling. And then once you do that, it should turn on every time you turn on your car. So every time you turn the ignition on, it should turn on, and it should just run the whole time while you're driving stuff. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, right now I got my grill came in from JD Muscle. This took like the longest. This is the longest thing that took to get. It's pretty dope. I got a basic just black one, just because I honestly want to keep the car clean and simple. I don't want to do like carbon fiber shit all over the place. Also because carbon fiber tends to fade in the sun, and I hate that, and I'm not really trying to maintain carbon. So we're probably gonna stay away from carbon on the exterior. Probably just gonna do interior mods and then engine bay mods with carbon fiber. So yeah, this is pretty dope. I'm gonna go ahead and install it right now. It came all the way from Taiwan and it took the longest. So it got here like last week and it stayed at the shipment at the like FedEx thing for like the longest for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slap this shit on and go from there. It should have a better look. So this is the last time this will ever have this look right here with the little nose thing right there on the Subaru, and then we'll slap this shit on. So alright guys, and there's the new grill. I had to get a butcher knife to screw the bolts on just because I didn't have a screwdriver. But it was pretty easy to install. I got it done like in 20 minutes. You just take off the original grill. It has like these little tabs underneath it. These ones, you just push them in and push the grill out. And yeah, just be careful because I accidentally broke one. And then the one from JDM Muscle, which I'll leave a link down below, it's all just bolts. You just put them in where the holes are at. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's pretty much easy. And then just put the bumper back on and you're set. So I'm gonna put the bumper back on and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here's the car, and I decided to put the plate back on. I don't know if you guys noticed that I was just running the little adapter thing to mount it on the side. I lost the bolts, but I found some here, and it's pretty sketchy how I have them. It's about a little close to scratching the paint, but you can't see it anyway, so it don't matter. But yeah, I think it looks dope. It looks a little weird right now just because the car is dirty and the grill's brand new, so it's like all black. But I think it looks good, man. I'm a little iffy on the little shit behind the grill, but I am planning on getting that lower class brace bar, the full one, but probably not soon, probably like in a couple months. So yeah, once I get in there, it's gonna look fresh. But right now, yep, that's what it is. I think it looks pretty dope. But I'm gonna go ahead and close and dip, bro, because I'm fucking tired. Been here since 10, 11, and right now it's like 2, about to be 3. Oh, it's 3:30. So yeah, I'm gonna fucking bounce, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching if you guys did, and yeah, peace out.